Who's back to the future?
I don't got time to hear about the questions. Rap serial killer looking for another bit. Come and get your issues.
Okay, okay. Hi, this is welcome to ISE. This is DGX. Here is our website. Factory is located in Zhejiang. It's near to Shanghai. Here is it's very famous for this exhibition. Our products and you can use them for your event, for your club. You can combine them together or spare them. If you want to make your shoes great, special, amazing, try our products. The IP rating for this one is 6.5. For our products, the receiving card and the power supply, they are together, so you can, when you use it for your event, it will be very convenient. Okay. For one main signal cable, it can combine 48 pieces together here.